Then coming to the next question, in question 5 exercise 14.2 you are asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of a certain city for 30 days. Using the table, find the probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.1 to 0.16 on any of these days. We want to refer the exercise 14.2 in the question number 5 of the frequency distribution table of an sulfur dioxide. From that table we want to find the probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide from the interval 0.12 to 0.16. Then from the table from that previous exercise, we want to find the probability. You can see the concentration of sulfur dioxide from that number of days. We want to have the condition 0.12 to 0.16. Probability of concentration of sulfur dioxide for interval 0.12 to 0.16 on a day. So number of days the concentration was in the interval 0.12 to 0.16 to the total number of days. So number of days is from the 0.12 to 0.16 is 2. From the table it be in a 0.12 to 0.16 is in a 2. So total number of days, that is number of days in the table, it began at 30. So 2 divided by 30. 2 by 30, that is in a 1 by 15. So the probability of concentration of sulfur dioxide for interval 0.12 to 0.16 on a day is 1 by 15. Then coming to the next one, in question 1 exercise 14.2 you are asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the blood group of 30 students of a class. Use this table to determine the probability that a student of this class selected at a random has blood group AB. From the 14.2 question, you are asked to prepare a frequency distribution table regarding the blood group of 30 students of the class. Use this table to determine the probability that a student of this class selected at random has blood group AB. We want to find the probability of students having the blood group AB alone. We want to find the probability of students having AB. So probability of number of students having blood group AB. A student having, from the formula, probability formula, number of students having AB blood group divided by total number of students. Number of students have blood group AB divided by total number of students. Number of students have blood group AB is 3 to the total number of students, that is total number of students is 30. You can sum of these from the table and also from the blood group of 30 students. So 3 by 30, 3 by 30, that is 1 by 10. So probability of the student having blood group AB is 1 by 10. This is the answer for the solution.